Welcome to Inside the Grid with Danovo Energy Solutions. This interview series will explore the lives of our employees who contribute their knowledge and skills to the power and energy industry. Today, we'll be speaking with James Schmidt.
Hi, I'm James Schmidt. I'm a data analyst, and I've been with Danovo for around 5 years now, and I went to school at NC State. Yeah, I think for a team such as monitoring, protection, automation, and control that relies heavily on data from devices such as PMUs, relays, and SCADA systems, the main role for a data analyst is really to transform that into usable insights. This can be done through data manipulation, can be done through trend analysis, anomaly detection, and visualization, as well as other methods. And overall, the goal that we're trying to do as data analysts is to tell the story that the data is showing us. So for a vegetation maintenance project that we had, we're using satellite imagery to look at different locations for utilities assets and see how the vegetation growth, the rate it was growing at, and the risk it was providing. So when looking at it, we thought it would be more uniformly distributed. It was in the same region, but when we looked at it, it was a few locations that really stood out due to local factors that was having the highest risk. So based off that, what we were able to do is make a maintenance plan and really target those areas to make sure that they were dealt with. I would say in general, what inspires me is just coming into work and seeing everyone, working with them, and being able to solve different problems every day. So no 2 days are the same for me. Also with that, it's fun to be on projects with my colleagues and learn from their expertise as well. In general, and more outside of work, I would say hang out with my family and my friends and doing activities such as golf, soccer, and running keep me really motivated. They help me maintain a work-life balance and help me bring energy and focus into work every day.